Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're all doing great. So today I'm back to show you how to make the half circle granny stripes bandana. I have shared with you the half circle granny stripes tutorial prior to this, and now I'm back with one of the possible projects you can do using that pattern. It's very easy to make. I have again another video of half circle single crochet bandana, which I'll put the link in the description box or on this video. Have a look at it if you wish, and without further ado, we'll get started. So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 4mm crochet hook. So I'm gonna start with the slip knots. And I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna make 2 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. I'm gonna chain 1, 3 double crochet in the same chain, chain 1, 3 double crochet, so this is the first round of the granny stripes half circle. Round 2, I'm gonna chain 3, and turn. So we've got 2 chain 1 spaces. I'm gonna work in the chain 1 spaces, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. The same in the next space, chain 1 space, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. In the last stitch, 1 double crochet. So this is round 2. Round 3, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet in each space. The first one, the chain 1 space, and each and every space created. So 3 double crochet in the first space, regardless of the chain 3. Three double crochet in the next chain 1 space, three double crochet in the next space, three double crochet in the next space, and 3 double crochet in the last space. Okay, and this is with round 3 how it looks like. So for round 4, I'm gonna chain 3, and I'm gonna repeat round 2, means one cluster, chain 1, one cluster in each space. So 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet in each and every space. And the last cluster. And a double crochet at the end of the row. This is round 4. Now we're gonna shape the half circle with one row of single clusters in each and every space between the clusters, all the clusters. So this is the end of round 7, and 3 double crochet in the last space. So after round 7 is round 8, where we'll do again a decrease of the double cluster, and this is how it looks so far. So this is the actual bandana. I have done 18 rounds of the semicircle, and 17 and 18 is only a cluster in every stitch, no decrease or increase, just one cluster in each of the spaces. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the strap. You don't need a long strap because the bandana is long enough. So I'm gonna chain 20. Okay, and I'm gonna slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. I'm gonna slip stitch in every chain till I'm back to the starting point. I'm gonna turn now, and I will go to the other side. So I'm gonna single crochet throughout the half circle to reach the other side. So single crochet in every stitch for the entire semicircle bandana. And this is the last stitch. and I'm gonna chain 20 from here as well, and slip stitch back, and then fasten off. So this is the complete bandana, and then with a single crochet over here. I have done, I used acrylic yarn, and I have done 18 rows like I said. Best is to use cotton yarn, medium worsted, or even mercerized will be perfect, with the recommended hook in the yarn label. But this is how to make the granny stripes half circle bandana, perfect for this time of the year. And that's it. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.